Hello everyone, today we are going to calculate the problem number 57 from chapter 16, RChibbeler edition of Static and Dynamic. So we will start looking at the given phase. There is this angular velocity of omega 4 radian per second, and there is mass center g. It has a velocity value of 6 inches per second, and we are bound to find the value of velocity at point P here. So we will start writing down the given facts. It's omega equal to 4 radian per second, and Vg equal to 6 inch per second, and omega value is anti-clockwise and it is positive, and then Vg value is 30 degree here. Yes. Now for this problem we will approach this with both scalar analysis and vector analysis, and we will start with the vector analysis. So we will convey the point from G to point P, and that's why point G equal to point P plus omega value into R G from B to G. So for point G, it is the value is like we need to determine here. So we still need to find this GB length as well. So this angle is in right angle, so this one is like 1.5 inch, so this is also 1.5 inch, and by using hypotenuse triangular we can find this length, and it is shown as 2.121 inch. So for the Vg X component, I mean like I cap X component, it's 6 inch 6 cos 30 inch per second, and it is I cap, but it is going into the negative X direction, so they will have minus value here, and then plus value 6 sine 30 degree inch per second G cap. And for VB we is unknown yet, so it's PVH I cap plus VBY G cap plus omega value it's already known, so it's 4 radian per second K cap into this distant values from like B to G. That's why the value is going into minus X direction as well, so it is minus 2.121 I cap. So now we will clarify this equation. Minus 6 cos 30 degree I cap plus 6 sine 30 degree G cap equal to VBX I cap plus VBY J cap. For the multiplication of K cap and I cap, it will have the plus J cap. So after multiplying all these, it's minus 8.484 J cap. And now we will divide into two components, I component and J component. So for equation 1, it will be minus 6 cos 30 degree equal to VBH, and that is equation 1. So VBH value equal to minus 5.196 inch per second, and another J cap, it's 6 sine 30 degree equal to VBY minus 8.484. So it's VBY equal to 11.484 inch per second. So there is two components already, so the VB value can be calculated, and then it's square root of these two values square, 11.484 square. So the value is 12.605 inch per second. We have the value already here, but we still need to find the angle value for the point for the point B. So we will find the angle theta by the tangent ratio. Theta equal to tangent inverse VBY. It's 11.11484 and VBH it's 5.196. So the angle has proved to be around 65.655 degree, which is so this is about the vector analysis, and we will move to the scalar analysis. For the scalar analysis, we must write down the equation first without the vector sign here. So V is from B to G, and so we will write in the matrix form. The VG value is 6 and it is 30 degree, and VB value is unknown that we need to find is angle theta plus it is the multiplication of omega and distance. It is 90. So for the H components, it is minus 6 cos 30 degree equal to minus VB cos theta. It's because these both of these signs are going into the minus H direction. That is why there is minus here. So that is equation 1, and equation 2 for the HY component, it's 6 sine 30 degree equal to VB sine theta as well, and then minus 8.484 is equation 2. So we can simplify the equation 1 into 6 cos 30 degree VB cos 30 equation 1. So we can divide the equation. We can divide this equation into the let me repeat again. So this equation is simplification form of equation 1, and then equation 2 will be here, another simplified form as well. It is in, I will write it again. So equation 1 will be VB equal to cos theta and 6 cos 30 degree, so that you will see clearly after these steps. So for equation 2, we will simplify VB onto the left side, sine theta equal to 6 sine 30 degree plus 8.484, moving the equation. So that is equation 3, I suppose, but it is fine. So that is equation 1. So equation 3 will be divided by equation 1. So in that way, the VB signs will omit. So there will be tangent theta on the left side, and there is 6 sine 30 degree plus 8.484 by 6 cos 30 degree. So then we will have the theta value equal to 65.655 degree. So from this value we can substitute in the equation 1 again, and then got the VB value 12.605 inch per second. So this is it about this problem. We have calculated in both vector analysis and scalar analysis here. So this is it. Thank you.